It's been 6 years, and despite 2 guilty pleas, Mario Dean's family is still demanding justice. The family staged a protest outside the Barnett Street Police Station in Montego Bay, St. James today in observance of the anniversary of the tragic beating which led to his death 3 days later. Kalisha Williams has the story.
It's the name many Jamaicans will not soon forget. In fact, Mercia Fraser is ensuring it.
That's one of the reasons why, I really have to come out too, because people think it's over and it's all right, that deal with. But no, the family is suffering still.
It's been 6 years since her son Mario Dean was brutally beaten while in custody at the Barnett Street Police Station in St. James. He later died on August 6, 2014.
I am a mother also, and I would not like that to happen to none of my children, not even my neighbor's child.
And almost like clockwork, since the incident in 2014, the family has been protesting outside the police station. Over the years, the number of participants has diminished and the scenes have changed from fiery to peaceful. But one person has remained constant, the woman who knew Mario Dean best.
It's more than a burden, because even this morning, before I leave the house, I start to feel real sick and I have to go back and lie down a little bit before I could walk out. Even when I get here, even now, I'm not feeling all that strong, because, you keep thinking and this thing just get you just weak on the inside. But I made a promise and that I'll keep.
With their banner raised, their silence was deafening, a reaction to how they say Mario Dean's case has been handled.
Sometimes I'm shaken with the grief and the anger, but I just have to leave everything to God, because we all need justice for my nephew, because he was a child, like a child of God. This guy, I don't know how he get into this situation, but I just can't come to the grip that we lose him just like that.
Just last week, on July 30, the 2 inmates, Adrian Morgan and Marvin Orr, who were arrested and charged for Dean's death, were freed after pleading guilty for manslaughter. They were sentenced to 5 years and 6 months in prison, but the judge decided to free them because they had been in custody for 6 years. Both men were mentally ill. At Monday's protest, Ms. Fraser again told her news team that she refuses to believe that the men are responsible for her son's death.
I wonder if this is really my beautiful country behaving like this. I'm not confident in the justice system. I'm not.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.